Hey guys, this is how to upload animated profile picture on your Discord. So let's get into it. First of all, you just need to open up your any of the browser, like I am using here the Chrome browser, and then simply search here for Giphy in order to download any of the Giphy or the animated profile picture for your Discord account. I am selecting here this one. So simply download the required image. Or your animated image. Right after that, you have to just again open your Discord app. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on the profile or the user profile option. Click on the edit option at your profile picture. Click on the upload avatar. Click on your gallery or the photos folder in order to search for your downloaded animated picture. And then simply select it from here. Click on the done option at the top right, and then it will be added as your profile picture, and that's all. If you not get this option in your Discord account, then you just need to get the Nitro version for your Discord account, and then you will be able to upload the animated profile picture on your Discord account. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.